Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today I am your teacher and my name is Radhika. We are going to start a chapter today that name is Flightless birds. Flightless birds means the birds that cannot fly. Okay. So some of them can walk, run and swim. Write the names of the following birds choosing from the help box. Okay. So the first one, read it. It is originated in Australia and is the fifth largest bird of the world. It can run at a speed of about 50 to 55 km per hour. So that bird जो कहाँ से originate हुआ है? Australia से. Okay, so this is the fifth largest bird. That is emu. So write down here E M U, emu. Okay. Next is, it is found in New Guinea and lives in rainforest. Its lifespan is 40 to 50 years. So that is, the bird is Southern Cassowary. So write down here SOUTHERN, Southern Cassowary, that is CASSOWARY. Okay, Southern Cassowary. You can check the spelling from the help box. Number 3, it is the national bird of New Zealand. It is very small in size and its lifespan is about 40 years. जो कि न्यू जीलैंड का नेशनल फ्रूट भी है. तो ये कौन सा बर्ड है? दैट इज कीवी. KIWI, kiwi. Okay. Next is, it lives in the North Pole and is an excellent swimmer. That is a polar bear. Everybody knows, right? Polar bear. Next is, it belongs to Rallidae family and it is an omnivorous bird and migrates only during the night. जो सिर्फ रात में ही migrate करता है, यानी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता है. So that is rail, RAIL. So write down here. Next is, it is the largest bird of the world and it can run up to a speed of 70 km per hour. सबको पता है बच्चे? That is an ostrich. So write down here ostrich. Okay. Now tidbits, that is, dodo was a bird that could not fly and lived on the island of Mauritius. यानी was a bird, यानी ऐसा bird था flightless bird में जो कि अब extinct हो चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है. Okay. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the blank, learn the blank and do yourself.